How to make double layer bow? Form a loop with the right end over the left. Create a second loop on the right side. Take the longer tail behind the both loops. Pull it up through the center. Now your beautiful double layer bow ready. How to make 5 compartment storage box? Let's start. Start with square piece of paper. Fold the paper in half diagonally, then unfold. Fold it in half diagonally, then other way to unfold. Fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically, then unfold. Turn the paper over and fold it half horizontally, forming a square with 2 layers. Fold the bottom corner up to create a 2 triangular flaps. Open the flaps to reveal 5 compartment box. Your 5 compartment storage box is ready to hold snacks. Yay!